Hey gang, Poppy here. It's Easter Sunday 2022. I wanted to say to everyone, all the believers, Happy Easter. If you're not a believer, oh well, I won't force my beliefs on you. Ah, I'm going to attach some pictures of my puppies alongside the driveway. Uh, I noticed that the Russians lost a ship. There was a fire on board. Nudge, nudge, wink, wink. The Ukrainians and the Pentagon say that the Ukrainians slammed a couple surplus Russian missiles into the ship, and that's what sank it. Oh, Vladimir, it's turning into a shit show, man. Anyway, happy Easter if you're of a mind to enjoy Easter. Uh, why I haven't been recording too much. I have felt so bad that if I felt like fertilizer, and you know what fertilizer is made from, if I felt like fertilizer, that's a lot of what it's made from. That would be a major improvement. No energy. No energy. My primary healthcare practitioner had me injected 8 times with B12. I feel worse now than before the B12 injections. D3 capsules aren't helping either. I was going to be out in the shop last month, but the weather has not been cooperating, and with the lack of energy, I'm not going to fight both lack of energy and arthritic parts that don't want to move because it's too cold out in the shop. Sorry, it's not happening. Maybe I can get out there in May. Problem, the shop is 8 by 12. Can't use Mr. Heater. No. And electric heater, I got a nice one out there. And last year, when it wasn't too cold, it worked okay. Turn it on, leave it out there running for 4 hours, and I could go out and it'd be windbreaker temperature. You know, I can handle it. Not this year. It's been so cold. So cold. And everyone from Texas to Minnesota to New York can agree and tell you that I've been right. It's been cold. Anyway, good night in California. Happy Easter.